program, the beta version program, if that actually makes sense. The beta doesn't matter. The beta version. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's M3 here, and today, guys, I'm going to show you how can you mount a new SSD on your PlayStation 5, because finally Sony released the update that allows everyone to install an SSD for you to have more space on the PlayStation, because it was definitely needed. I was definitely needing some more space already for a while. I keep deleting some games because I was running out of space. And some games, they are really huge, like Call of Duty, Final Fantasy VII Remake. That games, they are definitely huge. And the 825 gigabytes that PlayStation allow us to have when you buy it, because you don't have any other options, because I'm sure that soon is going to when it will be any other stock, because the stock is still really bad in terms of PlayStation 5s. But I'm sure that they will add some extra ones that the person needs to pay extra, of course, because they will not do it for free. And yeah, because 2 months ago it was released an update for beta users, but I was doing a video and I was doing the unboxing of the SSD, the adapter, so basically it's already all mounted. But after I realized that I was not on the program and that I couldn't install the beta version, so basically you need to apply, and Sony will contact you all the time when it's some new updates that they want to test. They send first to the beta users, and after they release for everyone. But now it's for everyone, and that is what it matters. So basically you have some requisites, and I will show you as well the website right now. Everything I will leave on the description below, and doesn't mean that you need to get those stuff that I have, but is for you to guide yourself. And somehow I believe that he is one of the best ones, and the quality itself, everything is definitely worth it for the reviews that is on Amazon. So all the links, they will be on the description below, plus the website from Sony that will show you the step-by-step as well, how can you do it. So I will start from the SSD. I got the WD Black. So this is the WD Black SN850, and is 1 terabyte and generation 4. So basically this one goes up to 7,000 megabytes per second. And this is a 2280. So here you can, so that is, this is a M2 2280. Is one of those that it's possible to be installed on the PlayStation 5. And this is the adapter that I got on the PlayStation for the SSD. Is really good, honestly. I could see that it was really good reviews, and this is how it looks like, because I already installed the SSD into the cooler, because you definitely will need. But the thing is that it's few that they have the right sizes, because some of them, they are really too big and they will not fit. So be sure that you follow all the measurements. So here how it looks. Just trying to get it closer, and here it is. So see, it's really small. So now I'm just going to pop into the website. I have it here, and basically it will show you how to add M2 SSD to the PlayStation 5. And here it shows the requirements. It shows which supported sizes they are compatible. As I mentioned, this one is the 2280, the one that I have here, and it needs to be a sequential read speed. So be sure this, because this is the most important, is the speed that is 5,500 megabytes per second or faster. Because some of them, they might be less than that, so be sure that is always above these speeds. And as well, of course, the generation 4, that as well is important. And of course here it shows all the sizes, and this one somehow it's very similar to the one that I got here with me. So yeah, but anyway, I will leave these for you guys to have a look. That was just for me to show you that you have here the website, that you can Here I have the instructions, how to install it, installation steps. So basically here it tells you everything step by step. But now I'm going to grab my PlayStation 5 and I'm going to open it and install it. So let's do the operation. Okay guys, so I have already the PlayStation 5 here. I already took off the vertical stand. That is important that you remove. And basically the cover that you need to pop out is on this side where is the hard drive, well, where is the disk, I mean. If you have the digital version, it is going to be basically the opposite where is the logo. So the logo is just over there, so it's on the other side, and it's really easy. So you just need to somehow lift a little bit. It might be a bit tricky on the beginning, but you need to lift, and after you just need to slide over towards like that, yeah, see, and basically pops. It's not difficult, but might be a bit tricky, as I said on the beginning. Over here, as you see here, is where goes the SSD. So I have some tools over here that I'm going to use, and so be sure that you have the right tools for you to actually open that. Let me just grab this one here. Because usually these tools I use it for my drone in case that I need. So just take this cover, this plate, you can see there is a small screw just over here that you will use it to basically make this secure. So use this one. Just going to take it off. And the cooler always up. So basically it's just, you just need to slightly push towards, that's it, and pops it, and done. See how simple it is. Just over again. And that's it, guys. So you see how simple and quick it is. Everyone can do that. And now to put the cover back, you basically just need to start from the bottom, and after you just slide and you hear the click, as you could listen. So let's now test and see if it's working. Okay, I'm now going to turn the PlayStation 5, so hope so is working. Let's see if there's any signal. Let's just wait for the signal to see if it pops or not. Yes, it does. At least we have the logo. And what else? Come on, move it. Come on, come on. Okay, format M2. Yes, of course. To use your M2 SSD, you need to format it. When you format your M2 SSD, all data on it will be deleted. If you want to continue using your PS5 without formatting your M2 SSD, turn off your PS5 and then remove, yeah, but you don't want that, of course, you want to format it. So let's do it. Yes, it's good. Reading speed 6549. They are stealing already because it's a 7000 up to, anyway, 7000, but that's the thing, they don't want to give us the performance, the full performance. Game installed storage, try installing it on the console storage, but we don't want that, right? If we have that expansion, we want to install everything on the new one. But yeah, so if there's any issues, Sony, fix them, because we paid already a lot of money for the PlayStation 5. Okay, rebuilding. Okay, now let me just now check the settings, see the storage, of course, because it's important. And you can see, 68 gigabytes available. And when I am actually clicking on it, when I'm opening, it's not a big, look at that. I don't have that many games. I don't have that many games over here. And this one, somehow, the Call of Duty is the one that takes like the most space. That is 237 gigabytes. After that one is the Final Fantasy, and after is the Dead by Daylight. And of course, all the other ones, they occupy a little bit as well. 39 gigabytes, 31, not much. But yeah, it's not much, honestly. In comparison of my hard drive for the PlayStation 4, it's a lot, because I have anyway here the external storage, and I still have 72 gigabytes available of the 2 terabytes that they are available, and here it is. So here it is, the SSD storage. That is what we need. Games and apps, it's nothing, and it's already like 459 kilobytes, but of course it's nothing. It's just some information that needs to be on the hard drive. And yeah, and after what you basically need to do is going to the installation location, and on the installation location, PS5 games and apps, you just need to select and choose the M2 SSD for all the games now to be installed over there. So let's install something. Probably what I'm going to do, instead of installing a game, I'm going to move a game to the internal storage. Well, to the SSD, I mean, to the M2 SSD. Probably because this one is not that big, so probably I'm going to... Wait a second, I'm just going again. Settings, storage, and the console storage, because you can do that, and after you just basically transfer to the other hard drive. So this one is 31 gigabytes, one that can be Rogue Company, for example, but let me just actually go and transfer this one over here. Select items to move, and you can see there that it goes to the M2 SSD storage. Yeah, oh, okay, they need to be closed because I was playing this game. Yep, it's an amazing game, by the way. Life is Strange, True Colors, amazing. It should be quick because, of course, the reading and the writing on the SSD is really quick, and anyways between the 2 hard drives inside the console, so it should be really quick. The 30 gigabytes, that is how fast it goes. So, yep. Is it done? Yes, it is. So now let me just see the SSD, the M2 SSD, and here it is. Here it is, the game. So let me now open the game to see if it's anything, like any lag or something. Let me just see if it's actually quick, the loading. It should. Okay, so this is the intro, and yep. Any button, continue. And that's it, really quick. Okay, it's really quick. Let me just try opening. Okay, let me just go here. Okay, so far so good. Is nothing that I need to worry about, at least at this stage, and I hope so that I'm not going to worry at all. So yeah, but anyway, I'm not going to play. I just wanted to be sure that it is working and it's loading and it is no errors, so that is what it matters. And that's it, guys. So finally the SSD is installed on the PlayStation 5. I really can't wait to see the performance using this SSD. I'm sure that is going to be really good, because somehow if they released already the version for everyone when it was the beta version for the beta version program, if that actually makes sense, the beta doesn't matter, the better version, So I'm sure that they already fixed any issues that could have been there, but yeah, so far so good, no errors, and that is what it matters, is working. And I can't wait to start installing more games on this SSD. And finally, it's space that allows you to benefit loads of games, and that is what you want, right? So yeah, guys, if you find out this video helpful, please thumbs up. If you still didn't subscribe my channel and you would like, push that red button below, and as well the bell for you to be notified all the time when I upload this kind of videos or when I'm going live. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Love you all. Peace out.